Hi everyone, it's Rachel Williams here again, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to make peer critique comments in Word 2010 using the comment feature. I'll also show you how to rename your classmates draft and save it, and lastly I'll show you how to post your comments to our peer critique discussion board. Ready? Alright, here we go. Here we are in Z1230's paper. How do I make a comment electronically in Word? Whatever I want to comment on, I can either I'm going to click right in the middle of it. I'm going to click in the middle of the title here. You see my cursor blinking. Or I can highlight it by holding down and dragging the left mouse button. I'll go up to the top of the screen in Word 2010 and click Review. Here we have New Comment. It looks like a little yellow sticky note with a little star. And the box that comes up says Insert Comment, add a comment about the section. Okay. I'm going to click on that, and hey, look at here. A little red box comes up. And comment, you see in the brackets here, RSW1. That's what my computer is named here. Whatever you've named your computer, it'll come up as. And I can just type my comment here. Let's say I like Z1230's title. Nice title. All right. Let's say I'm done with my comment, and I'd like to comment on their first phrase, their first sentence. Let's say that this is their thesis statement. I'll do the same. Highlight. Click on New Comment. Very good thesis statement. I click outside of it. I'm done with it. Keep on reading. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I just don't understand, though. Let's say that this is a very strange looking transition. I'm not sure how they got from their introduction to this first body paragraph. I'll click Comment again. How did you get from your intro paragraph to this point? I'm not seeing how you made this connection. All right. I'll go throughout the person's essay. I'll read it very carefully a couple of times. I'll read portions of it out loud to figure out how it's flowing, how the content is moving, whether they're bringing in enough evidence, enough support for their points. Are they just doing plot summary? Are they answering the essay question? And on average, I make about 20 or 30 comments. You should strive for about 15. When you start out doing this, of course, it's kind of difficult, but you'll get better at it the more you do it. So, for instance, when you're done, when the person scrolls down through their document, they'll see all these comments over here in the very wide right margin. What if, I'm just going to make another comment down here, for example's sake. This is interesting, but I'm not sure it belongs in the paper. All right. What if I've made a bunch of comments, and on rereading the person's paper, I say, oh, wait, I understand why they did that. I'm going to remove that comment. It's pretty easy to remove a comment. What if I want to remove comment number 4 here? Just bring my pointer over here, my mouse pointer. I'm going to right click, and you see this little menu that comes up. Go down the little menu, delete comment. I want to delete it, am I sure? Boop. There we go. I got rid of my comment. I decided I didn't want to make that one. All right. Let's say that we're done with Z1230s. What do we do next? We want to save and rename this file to show 1, that it's Z1230's paper, 2, that it's SA1 draft, 3, that it's comments on the draft, and 4, our last name here. Now, why is it that I want your last name in the comments on a coded person's paper? I do this because it keeps us accountable to that other person. If the other person, let's say if Z1230 knows who I am, I'm forced to be straightforward and honest, but not ugly in my comments. I'm always civil and compassionate in my comments. And it doesn't turn into a Facebook flame war or anything like that. Also, the reason I ask you to put your name in the comments is, or in the file name, is so I can check very, very easily on the discussion board to see who has done what. I scroll down. Oh, okay, Smith has completed Z1230s. All right. So those are my reasons. How are we going to resave this? We're going to go to File at the top, and we're going to click the second option, Save As. All right. As you can see here, I have already typed in the new file name, Z1230 SA1 Draft Comments Williams. I'll go ahead and do it again. Show you what I'll do. I'll put on caps lock here, Z1230. There's the person's code. Essay number 1 draft. Then I'm going to go underscore comments underscore my last name. And save it, of course, as a doc, DOC, or docx, DOCX Word file. All right, ready? I remember where I saved it. I'm saving it on my jump drive or wherever you want to save it on your computer. Click Save. All right, it looks good. So what do we do now? We close out of this and we head over to CourseDen. Aha! And here we are at CourseDen. Over here to the left on the discussion board. Aha! We'll go to the Peer Critique section. And I can see here that here's Z1230's posting where I downloaded their paper. All right. This is the only time when we're going to hit reply to anyone's message on the peer critique board. You'll recall in the how to post your drafts tutorial, I asked everybody to start a brand new message, create a new message every time they post something. Only when you post comments, your peer critique, will you hit reply. So here I am in Z1230's original post. I'm going to click reply. And I'm going to click up here in the subject line. I'm going to put my last name. I'll put it in parentheses. And I'm going to click comments Williams. All right. Now I'll click something in the message. Here's my feedback. And a smiley face. Naturally, I will attach my document, going back over here to my removable disk. Comments Williams. There we go. All right. We've got it attached. No copy and paste. We've got the subject line changed so that we know it's Z1230's SA1 Draft and comments by your last name. All right, it looks like we're ready to post. Okay, and when Z1230 clicks on this to get your feedback, they'll be able to see the thread of messages down here. Their original up here, the first person's comments, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth. All right, close out of that. Thanks for playing, everybody. See you soon. Bye-bye.